If this slide is shown to you, what is the organ? Liver. Okay. Okay. Probably it will be shown at this magnification, low power magnification. Okay, so you can identify the tissue and definitely, okay, and obviously this is the liver tissue. And what is the pathology? You see, fatty liver. So this is an inclusion. Okay, you see that fats, they are inside the hepatocytes. Okay, they are not yung mga adipose tissue. They are not adipose tissue. They are fat accumulation inside the hepatocytes. Okay, so fatty change, okay, fatty liver.